Hello everyone, welcome to a very interesting program on this channel. Just going for a very inspiring assignment ahead of Army Day. I am now entering into the very historic Suranjan Das Road in Bangalore. So we are heading to MEG. We are heading to MEG to do a very special story on the MEG Museum. And there are lots of tons of history there. This is the ADE campus. So in the next few seconds, we will see the ADE main gate. So this is the main ADE gate. Yes. So this place on the left, right, center, everywhere, it's aeronautical labs, HAL divisions. This will go and join the old Madras Road. That is the Alsur Lake, what you're seeing on the left. The MEG gate, and here we go. That straight one is the MEG gate. So we are entering the MEG now, and we will wait for the security clearance, and then we will finish the proceedings. All right, so this is one of the entrances of the museum. After some time, we will have some more history from a very senior veteran, Colonel Sharma. So Sharmaji is there with us, so he will also take us through the museum and its historic significance. Also helping us with today's conducted tour is Havildar Chari. So he will also help us with some bit of information as we enter the museum. So Havildar Chari, ये सब क्या है, थोड़ा बताइए आप.
बेसिकली ये हमारा आउटडोर म्यूजियम है. यहाँ पे जितना भी मशीनरी डिस्प्ले किया गया है, ये 20th सेंचुरी में मद्रास इंजीनियर ग्रुप में वर्कशॉप के अंदर इस्तेमाल किया हुआ इक्विपमेंट है.
Okay, so these are all historical pieces. Can we say like that, Colonel Sharma ji?
Bilkul. And this is the engine of a dozer, Caterpillar dozer.
Okay.
This is another diesel engine which has been in operation, now gone out of service. This is the diesel engine which used to be in operation for providing lighting.
Oh, this is okay.
ये पाइपलाइन के लिए इस्तेमाल करते थे पहले, जो पुराना जमाने में.
Okay.
पाइपलाइन के लिए.
This is the medium machine gun.
जो फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड वॉर और सेकंड वर्ल्ड वॉर के ड्यूरेशन में इस्तेमाल किया हुआ है.
The medium machine guns. Okay. ये तो एक ड्रिलिंग मशीन है.
ये ड्रिलिंग मशीन है. ये बड़े बड़े वर्कशॉप के अंदर बड़े पीसेस वगैरह कंस्ट्रक्ट करने
Okay.
के टाइम इस्तेमाल किया जाता है.
So this is
also a machine gun
okay.
of another make.
Okay. And this is a massive boiler. Okay. This is a heavy machine gun. That's what it is. This is a cylinder printing machine. LMGs. That's what is written there.
That's right. It is like machine gun.
This is a Blackstone generator. So this place is massive. This is a Nevlin rectifier. So what does it mean, sir? This is this also a kind of generator. All right. Okay. Beautiful place. Okay, it's a stone crusher. And this is a thread rolling machine. This is a Marshall steam engine. And this is another Marshall steam engine. And this is a semi-diesel engine. We come to yet another Marshall steam engine. This is what we just saw. It's very beautifully maintained inside this MEG campus and very well organized as well as we move on to the next session.
The British War Memorial, which has been shifted here
Okay,
for ease of maintenance and constant care.
okay,
The idea of developing this museum was conceived by one of our ex-commandants, General Bobby Barreto,
okay,
who went out of the way to plan things for a museum to come up.
okay,
MEG was fairly rich with regard to the artifacts for the museum,
all right,
and it was only a matter of deciding as to what has to come up where,
all right,
and create a proper place for it.
okay,
And this supper bust made by
yeah.
supper bust made by arty shelling pieces.
Oh, acha, okay,
And has been made by one of our class nags. These are the battle and theatre honors.
ये मद्रास सापर का हेड बैजेस है।
okay,
पहले जब क्वीन विक्टोरिया का अंडर में थे 1885 में, उसके बाद बदलते 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 प्रेजेंट ज़माने में ये वाला हेड बैजेस से है।
acha, different kind of head badges. Now we are inside the museum, and on the left is Colonel Sharma, now retired, who served the Indian Army for almost more than 30 years, and now he is in charge of this museum, a big task of ensuring the upkeep. And of course, we have Havildar Chari, who is also helping me with a little bit of commentary, a little bit of history. So, Colonel Sahab, thank you for your time, and thank you, Havildar Chari. Could you just explain, Abhi, what are we going to? Yes.
As we enter, we find that there's a display of award winners,
Okay.
including some of the Britishers who've been with the Madras Abbas, and they have excelled in the war to win an award.
All right.
Now this has awards starting from pre-Second World War,
Okay.
some pre-World War One,
Okay.
and 71 war.
All right.
These four that you see, the leftmost is General Pendergast. He was the first commandant, and he's a winner of Victoria Cross. Subedar Subramaniam, who won George Cross, which is rated as a very high award after Victoria Cross.
All right.
He had done some commendable work for which he was awarded this.
All right.
He laid his life for it.
Okay.
Then we have civilian Ramachandar, who was serving with a civilian, serving with one of our company called 14 Field Company in J&K operation.
Okay.
During 47-48 war.
Okay.
And he rescued one of the lieutenants who was the convoy commander and was leading the convoy from Nowshera
Okay.
coming to Jammu.
All right.
And finally, we have Major B.R. Chaudhary,
Okay.
who is the winner of MVC for doing a commendable work while breaching the minefield during Battle of Basanta.
You know, we are inside now. It's a huge place, so since I'll just pan and go, and in between we will have some commentary from Colonel Sharmaji and Haldachari.
Madras Sappers took a very active, played a very active role in the Battle of Mysore, called in 1781, where two companies were utilized of Madras Sappers to obtain the victory.
All right.
This Battle of Seringatpatnam was another important battle which was fought by the Madras Sappers.
All right. So
You
let's.
can see on your left the dress which a sapper
Yes.
used to wear.
Yes. Yes.
This is the first sapper uniform. This is the first sapper uniform in 1780.
Okay. So this is apparently the first sapper uniform of 1780, 70-80. Okay, 80. And this is the first British officer's uniform. Yes, and let's move on and.
Then the panel displays the Egypt war which was fought in the year 1800 to 1801,
All right.
in which one company of the corps with Lieutenant Haviland sailed with the expedition in December 1800.
Okay.
These are the panels displaying the Burma War.
Okay.
First Burma War, which was commanded by the battalion was commanded by Captain Milling
Okay.
as part of the expeditionary force. We then come on to Cold War in the year 1834. This was fought, and where Havildar Chokalingam, for his bravery, a special medal was cast and presented to him.
Okay. These are the
फर्स्ट एवर वेपन्स
first weapons. Okay.
1780 में जब पहला सिपाही के लिए इस्तेमाल किया हुआ पाइप
Okay.
और लाइट पिस्टल और वेपन्स।
Okay.
ये जयचामराजा वाडियर, ऑनरेबल गवर्नर ऑफ मद्रास सैपर्स।
At that time,
यस सर।
the Mysore Maharaja. So these are the different uniforms.
These are the different uniforms.
Oh, the 80.
1823, that of a sapper. Then in 1823 of the officers.
Okay. All right.
In the year 1840, what
पहले
you see-
सैपर्स रोड वर्क और रेलवे ट्रैक्स वगैरह बनाते थे, जो ऊटी टू कनानूर।
Okay.
पहले रेलवे ट्रैक हमारा मद्रास सैपर्स ने बनाया हुआ है।
Okay.
इस समय पे टेलीकॉम कम्युनिकेशन का काम भी
Okay.
मद्रास सैपर्स से करते थे। जो ब्रिटिश ऑफिसर ने 1906 में इसको इन्वेंट किया था, लेकिन इसका इस्तेमाल फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड वॉर में हुआ था।
Okay.
ये वायरस स्ट्रगल को क्लियर करने के लिए इस्तेमाल किया जाता है।
Okay.
फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड वॉर में ज़्यादातर पर इस्तेमाल नहीं हुआ, लेकिन बाद में थ्रू आउट वर्ल्ड में इसको इस्तेमाल करना शुरू कर दिया।
Okay.
तो ये मेड बाय मद्रास सैपर्स और इसका नाम थ्रू आउट वर्ल्ड में बेंगलुरु टापोडे से हमारा बेंगलुरु का नाम से जाना जाता है।
Okay.
presented by
ये-
different people.
इंडियन पीस कीपिंग फोर्स श्रीलंका में जो 1987 एलटीटी के अगेंस्ट गए थे,
Okay.
उस समय पे जाफना के अंदर जो माहौल थे उसे हम क्लियर करने के लिए श्रीलंका गवर्नमेंट से हमें प्रेजेंट किया गया है।
अच्छा. Okay. Great.
और दीज आर आर्टिफैक्ट्स प्रेजेंटेड बाय मेजर जनरल जगन्नाथम साहब।
Okay.
ये ट्रैवलर सेकंड वर्ल्ड वॉर के दौरान हमारा कई सारा सिपाही इटली में शहीद हो चुके हैं।
Okay.
उनका यादगार में मद्रास इंजीनियर ग्रुप में एक कालियम्मा का एक टेम्पल बनाया गया है।
Okay.
उसका लिए एक
अच्छा, okay.
फाउंडेशन ले करने के
अच्छा,
लिए
ये-
इसका इस्तेमाल किया गया था.
All right. Very.
This is the
ये
family
हमारा
tree.
फैमिली ट्री ऑफ मद्रास आपस। ऊपर से हम देख सकता है 1780 में सबसे पहले 2 कंपनी में फॉर्म हुआ था साउथ सोल्जर्स के साथ।
ओके
वो बढ़ते बढ़ते आज 26 मेजर रेजिमेंट्स और 14 माइनर यूनिट्स के साथ टोटल 40 यूनिट्स है मद्रास इंजीनियर ग्रुप में।
ओके सो दिस इज अ फैमिली ट्री
The family tree, and these are the sub-units.
ओके
और उसका मोमेंटोस।
ओके मोमेंटोस ओके इंटरेस्टिंग
The George Cross
ओके
by Sir Wavell.
ओके
He was the CNC India at that time.
ओके
ये 1780 में जो पहला सिपाही के लिए 1 महीने का हमारा जो सैलरी का तौर पर 2 पगोड़ा दिया जाते थे। एक हवलदार के लिए 3.5 पगोड़ा और एक सिपाही मतलब पैनियर के लिए 2 पगोड़ा दिया जाते थे।
इंटरेस्टिंग These are all the
These
ceremonial.
are all the generals and all the Madras have risen to the rank of general.
Okay.
This is from General Harkirat. He retired as an engineer in chief.
So now we are entering the battery history hall of MEG. तो थोड़ा बताइए क्या है इधर इसके अंदर.
ये हमारा बैटल हिस्ट्री हॉल है।
Okay.
1780 से लेकर अभी तक हमने जितना भी 42 बैटल्स जो लड़ाई किया था उनका बारे में डिस्क्रिप्शंस लिखा हुआ है।
Okay. These are all the regimental colors that's kept. This is again Madras apples and minor colors. Yeah. We enter.
It's center history hall।
Yeah.
Madras office।
So this is a center history hall. These are all different
captured by
from the
some
enemies.
countries, Japanese
Okay.
from Second World War।
All right. So these are all the equipment captured during the.
Second World War।
Yeah. So here there is a board that says Japanese instruments World War II vintage. So
These are existing bridges made by Madras Sappers।
okay. And
ये हम पहले बना चुका था।
Okay.
जो अदर कंट्री में लोहे वाला ब्रिज आने से पहले
okay.
हमने जो वुडन से बनाया हुआ
Okay.
इसको मॉडल से ही।
So earlier bridges come
Yes.
model. So this is basically it says the evolution of military bridges.
ये 1971 बांग्लादेश का वार में जो ईस्ट पाकिस्तान के वार में उस समय पे रिवर क्रॉस करने के लिए हमारे पास कोई साधन नहीं है तो लोकल का जो नाव को एक साथ रख के एक ब्रिज के जैसे बना के हमारे गाड़ियों को पार किया हुआ है।
Okay, brilliant.
Modification। ये युगोस्लाविया का एंटी पर्सनल माइंस है।
Okay. अच्छा हमारा नहीं है जो कुछ हम
ये
सीज किए.
अंगोला का है।
Okay.
कैप्चर किया हुआ है।
Okay.
और ये इंडिया में
ये हमारा है।
वो लंबा वो भी बार माइन इंडियन का है।
अच्छा बार माइन. Okay.
और ये रशियन वाला
Okay. 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 Okay.
ये भी रशियन वाला एंटी टैंक माइन है।
Which one? This one.
दिस वन।
The center one.
यस।
This is a Russian anti-tank mine. Okay.
और छोटे वाला पाकिस्तान एंटी पर्सनल माइन है।
Which one?
ये जो green.
ये green वाला. Okay. Okay.
और दिस वन इंडियन एंटी पर्सनल माइन।
Okay.
और दिस इज कंबोडियन एंटी टैंक माइन
Okay.
एंड दिस इज पाकिस्तान एंटी टैंक माइन
All right.
and this is Chinese anti-tank mine
Okay.
and this is Indian।
ये वाला इंडियन है.
Yes।
Okay.
ये some parts captured from some countries।
At the different countries.
Different
Pods
countries।
captured from different countries. Okay.
This is continuing with the minor units of the Madras Sappers. on the right and the major units on the left hand side.
Okay.
It shows the CEO's tenure from which year to which year they have.
All right.
commanded.
So let's again focus on these.
These
If you
are the artifacts.
तो ये
ये एक आईईडी मतलब रिमोट कंट्रोल डिमोलेशन डिवाइस है.
Okay.
कैप्चर्ड फ्रॉम मिलिटेंट्स.
okay militants okay detonation
फ्रॉम J&K.
okay okay
और ये एक फॉजिल है.
okay
ये सल्फर स्टोन.
okay sulfur stone okay
और ये जो टैंक्स है 1971 वार में हमने जो इस्तेमाल किया हुआ
okay
टैंकर्स है उनका मॉडल.
okay
ये फ्लेल कहलाते हैं.
क्या कहते हैं
फ्लेल.
फ्लायर okay
And these are used for clearing the.
माइन फील्ड को ब्रीच करने के लिए इस्तेमाल किया जाता है इन्हें.
अच्छा okay
और ये मोजाम्बिया और अंगोला कंट्री से कैप्चर किया हुआ है.
okay
Souvenirs.
so priceless souvenirs. Again, as I said, there are several things, okay, because these are all the different things displayed here.
Then war memorial. To your right is the panel which was prepared covering the presidential color presentation.
Okay. All right. So this was the
2nd March 1990.
presidential colors, 2nd March 1990. Okay. President R. Venkataraman.
Venkataraman.
Yes.
And the one on the right is the Colonel Commandant,
Okay.
General C.A. Barreto.
Okay.
On the left is the Commandant of MHE
Okay.
at the time of presentation of the color. These are the Colonel Commandants.
Okay.
ये हमारा स्पोर्ट्स गैलरी है. मद्रास सापर्स का स्पोर्ट्स लेगेसी है. अभी तक हमारा 5 द्रोणाचार्य और 10 अर्जुन अवार्ड, 2 पद्मश्री और मेनी मोर गोल्ड मेडल हासिल कर चुके हैं.
Okay, so this is how a Dronacharya award looks like, and this is how an Arjuna award looks like, and this is again
अर्जुन अवार्ड.
Arjuna award. This is how it looks like. Okay, interesting, and these are all again Arjuna awards, right?
Yes.
All right. So yes, Madras Sappers. Look at this gallery, full of honors in sports. Like in battle, their achievements in sports, it's endless. From athletics to hockey to swimming to many other
Athletics, boxing.
boxing. I can see here one India jersey, worn by Subedar Major C.C. Machaya. This is the Asian Games in Bangkok for boxing. So likewise, it's an endless thing. So with this, we more or less have completed this short video story on MEG, and finally let's go ahead and see what else is in store. So this is a very proud part of the gallery.
मद्रास सापर्स का लेगेसी को कंटिन्यू करता है हमारा रिपब्लिक डे मार्चिंग कॉन्टिजेंट. अभी तक मद्रास सापर्स ने 9 टाइम रिपब्लिक डे परेड में पार्टिसिपेट किया है, 9 टाइम जीत लिया है, और 3 टाइम्स आर्मी डे परेड को पार्टिसिपेट किया था और 3 टाइम जीत लिया है.
Okay, so this is the best marching contingent in 2017, very recently, and of course one of the finest defense ministers, Manohar Parrikar ji, the late Manohar Parrikar ji.
And the architect of training the contingents is Subedar Major Govind Swami, Honorary Captain.
Okay. Let's now listen from Havildar Chari, who was, kind enough to explain some of the details of this museum. तो मद्रास सैपर्स के लिए, फॉर द थम्बीज, ये म्यूजियम कितना स्पेशल है?
हमारा मद्रास सैपर्स के लिए 240 इयर्स का जो एक्सपीरियंस का हिस्ट्री है, ये म्यूज़ियम में सजाया गया है। यहाँ पर आने वाला नया सोल्जर्स और सिविल स्कूल से आने वाला बच्चों के लिए हमारा हिस्ट्री को बताया जाता है।
So now let's listen to Colonel Sharma, the custodian of this museum now.
Madras Sappers are the oldest group which was associated with the Madras presidency, and they made a very humble beginning, but slowly as they came up, they made themselves very professional and completely dedicated to this art of warfare and fighting a battle to win. It will be seen from the treasure that we hold today as to how well the Madras Sappers have come up and how they have established themselves. I am sure we have a very bright future, and our soldiers are accordingly coming up. They are showing their mettle, and I am sure in the days to come, Madras Sappers, you will always see them on the top of the horizon. Thank you.
I hope all of you enjoyed this very short video story, and very inspiring. Wish we had more time to shoot everything perfectly, because there are a lot of photographs, a lot of letters, a lot of history written all over. It's very difficult to capture everything in the video, but we just got you a glance to mark this year's Army Day. 240 years of history of Thambis, the brave Thambis of MEG, all packed in this museum inside the MEG Center in Bangalore. We shall get you more such inspiring stories. Due to COVID restrictions, we couldn't interact with many people here. I'm sure there will be better opportunities coming. Thank you for watching this channel. Please do remember to subscribe to this channel. Happy Army Day to all the people, the veterans who are serving, those who are going to join the Indian Army. Thank you for watching. Jai Hind.